Okay, agents, just to make sure that you were all paying attention, one more time. How do you say hello?
Malopin.
Amazing, amazing. Now, introductions first, okay? This is Facunda. She's the owner of this house of family. She's always welcoming you, okay? This is the princess, the youngest daughter of Facunda. Her name is Lluvia, but if you translate that, is rain, okay? That's a beautiful, beautiful name. Since school is out for summer, well, you will find them over here, okay? Family, we have plenty of space in your set. You have the sun over there, so that is family, okay? This is an actual Maya family, my friends. This is not staged like a lot of tours now they do, that they just build some Maya houses and they invite some persons to act like Mayas. No, this is one of the oldest families of Coba, my family, and they are always welcoming you to come and visit this place, okay? Remember everything that I told you, my family, this is a male-oriented society. That's why it's pretty hard to find some men over here, but right now they are working. Usually they have the same jobs that they have 500 years ago: farmers, beekeepers, fishermen, recollectors, masons, those kind of jobs. But they have another job. You see, most of you all took the tuk-tuk, right? You met most of the men of this community already over there, my family. Because that's the way that they make extra money. You see, they wake up early in the morning, between 4:30. Sometimes they work at their land, like farmers. Then by 7:45, 8, they arrive at Coba when they open the archaeological site with their tuk-tuks. Then they work until 4:45, 5 when they close the archaeological site, and then they get their share. They try to make everything fair, my family. So today, whoever works the most, he will get a better share. I don't know if you noticed that when they brought you back, they were saying something like servicio, service. They tell that to the manager so he can check if it was a round trip or a one-way trip. Whoever works the most today, he will get a better thing, okay? Now, ladies, they stay in their places, taking care of the children, my family. That's a job that sometimes it's unappreciated, my family, but it takes a lot of time, takes a lot of love, my family. It takes a lot of patience to raise kids, my family, okay? Of course, taking care of the animals, taking care of the plants, cooking something delicious. We like to believe that, you know how it is, like men, we are the ones that make the decisions, but you know, ladies, how it is. Men believe that you are the ones, right? Now, did you notice that those men, they dress like they want? They have even jerseys, Barcelona, PSG, LA Galaxy, Manchester United, Portugal. They have everything in my family. And they have jeans, polos. Ladies, as you notice, they use that typical dress. That dress is known as ipil or huipil. In the ancient times of the Mayans, it had a meaning. You see, when you find a lady that used a high-cut dress, usually that meant that that was a married woman. If you find a lady that used a low-cut dress, not like a cleavage, but a low-cut